If birds fly, why can't penguins? Are they just lazy? Let's find out why these fancy swimmers never left the ground. Millions of years ago, penguins soared through the skies like seagulls, their wings carrying them gracefully above the waves. But as time passed, nature had different plans for these remarkable creatures. Evolution, in its infinite wisdom, set them on a path that would lead them away from the air and into the depths of the ocean. Over countless generations, penguins underwent a fascinating transformation. Their once powerful wings gradually morphed into sleek hydrodynamic flippers. This change wasn't a step backward, but rather a leap forward into a new realm of possibility. You see, flying requires an enormous amount of energy, a luxury that penguins could afford in their harsh Antarctic environment. Swimming, on the other hand, proved to be a far more efficient way to navigate their world and find food. As penguins adapted to life in the water, they became true masters of the aquatic domain. These remarkable birds can plunge to depths of up to 500 meters. That is deeper than many submarines can go, and they don't just dive deep. They can hold their breath for an astonishing 20 minutes, putting even the most accomplished human free divers to shame. But perhaps most impressive of all is their speed. When penguins swim, they zoom through the water like living torpedoes, leaving bewildered fish in their wake. So, while penguins may have lost the ability to soar through the air, they've gained something far more valuable: the power to fly through water. Their flippers, once used for flight, now serve as powerful paddles, propelling them through the ocean with incredible efficiency. And their bodies, streamlined and perfectly adapted for aquatic life, cut through the water with minimal resistance. In many ways, penguins haven't lost the ability to fly at all. They've simply traded the sky for the sea. The next time you see a penguin waddling awkwardly on land, try to remember that appearances can be deceiving. These birds may look clumsy on solid ground, but beneath the waves, they're graceful, powerful, and perfectly at home. They're not bad at flying, they're just phenomenal at swimming. So, which bird do you think is cooler? The majestic eagle soaring through the sky, or the sleek penguin gliding effortlessly through the ocean depths? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating animal facts. Only here on Factoons. Now let's dive a little deeper into the world of penguins and their remarkable adaptations. While we've touched on some of the reasons why penguins can't fly, there's so much more to explore about these fascinating creatures. First, let's consider the penguin's body shape. Unlike their airborne cousins, penguins have dense, heavy bones that help them dive deep and stay submerged. Their bodies are also much more compact and rounded, which reduces drag in the water, but would make aerial flight nearly impossible. Imagine trying to fly a bowling ball. That is essentially what a penguin would be attempting if it tried to take to the skies. But this dense body structure serves penguins well in their aquatic environment. It allows them to withstand the immense pressure of deep dives and helps them maintain their body temperature in frigid Antarctic waters. Their thick layer of blubber and tightly packed, waterproof feathers provide excellent insulation, keeping them warm even in the coldest conditions. Another fascinating adaptation is the penguin's unique wing structure. While birds that fly need light, hollow bones, and large surface areas on their wings to generate lift, penguins have evolved in the opposite direction. Their wings are short, stiff, and packed with powerful muscles. These flippers are perfect for propelling them through water, but would be useless for generating the lift needed for flight. Interestingly, penguins' loss of flight ability is an excellent example of what scientists call trade-off in evil. By specializing in swimming, penguins have become incredibly efficient at finding food and surviving in their marine environment. This specialization has allowed them to thrive in areas where few other birds can survive, giving them access to abundant food sources with little competition. But life as a flightless bird isn't without its challenges. On land, penguins are vulnerable to predators and have to nest in large colonies for protection. They've also had to develop unique ways of moving on land, like tobogganing on their bellies or hopping from rock to rock. These adaptations, while not as graceful as flight, have allowed penguins to successfully navigate both their aquatic and terrestrial environments. It is also worth noting that penguins aren't the only birds to have traded flight for swimming prowess. Other flightless aquatic birds, like the now extinct great auk of the North Atlantic, evolved similar adaptations. This phenomenon, known as convergent evolution, shows how similar environmental pressures can lead to similar adaptations in unrelated species. The story of penguin evolution is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. From skybound birds to underwater acrobats, penguins have undergone a remarkable transformation over millions of years. Their journey reminds us that in nature, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Sometimes, giving up one ability can lead to the development of extraordinary new skills. As we marvel at the penguin's aquatic abilities, it's important to remember that these incredible birds face numerous threats in today's world. Climate change is altering their habitats, overfishing is reducing their food sources, and pollution is impacting their health. By understanding and appreciating the unique adaptations of penguins, we can better appreciate the need to protect them in their marine environments. In conclusion, while penguins may have lost the ability to soar through the air, they've gained something equally magnificent: the ability to fly through water with unparalleled grace and efficiency. Their story is a powerful reminder of the wonders of evolution and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So, the next time you see a penguin, whether in a zoo, an aquarium, or if you're lucky enough, in their natural habitat, take a moment to appreciate these remarkable birds. They may not be able to fly in the traditional sense, but in their own way, they've truly taken to the skies, or rather, the seas. And with that, we come to the end of our deep dive into the world of penguins. We hope you've enjoyed this journey and learned something new about these fascinating flightless birds. Remember, nature is full of surprises, and there's always more to discover. So keep your curiosity alive, and who knows what amazing facts you might uncover next. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you Team Eagle or Team Penguin? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more incredible animal facts and stories. Until next time, this is Factoons, signing off.